Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and today we're going to fly our TinyHawk 2 for the first time outside with goggles on. Haven't flown it outside at all because the wind's been blowing, so I'm just now getting a chance to get outside. So let's give her a try. I'm going to be using the Skydroid 5.8 receiver because Emax does not have a DVR on the goggles, so I'm going to record straight to my phone. And one other thing. We are stepping our game up. I am going to be doing all this first time outside with the Radiomaster TX16s. So let's see how well that helps or not.
Armed. Disarmed.
Okay, one battery left. We're gonna try it in Acro for the first time. Gosh, I gotta quit saying that first time thing. I know, sorry about that. But it is my first time flying in Acro. So here we go. Well, there you go. A whole video on first. Acro, horizon, flips, barrel rolls. Tried to pull off a power roll or a power loop. Didn't work out too well. Lots of crashes, but I think it'll only get better with more practice. I apologize for saying first all the time, but for me it is the first time, so it just comes out naturally like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Oop, get that out of my face. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And don't forget to click the bell for new content.